The potato story began 7,000 years ago in the Andes. The Spanish saw it as a curiosity, not food. It became vital provision for long sea voyages. Europeans feared this underground tuber. Parmentier used blossoms to charm the king. Potatoes fed Ireland's booming population. Prussia used potatoes to combat famine. Catherine the Great promoted potatoes for better nutrition. Potatoes became a commodity for speculation. In the 1840s, late blight destroyed Ireland. Famine drove millions across the Atlantic. Potatoes found a new home in Asia. Potatoes adapted to Africa's high-altitude climate. Potatoes became a staple on American tables. Science fought blight to secure the future. The UN recognized potatoes as key against hunger. Potatoes are now global industrial food base. Technology makes potato farming efficient. Potatoes connect global tables and cultures. From Andes to global, the potato evolved. Potatoes endure extreme climates. Potatoes' culinary possibilities are endless. Mechanization makes harvesting faster. Food tech redefines potatoes' future. Potatoes can replace petroleum plastics. Education seeds sustainable farming. Potatoes are pillars of life in crisis. Gene editing enhances resistance and nutrition. Potatoes' globalization is a geographical epic. The potato story hits the big screen. Potatoes inspire art beyond food. Potato culture even influences music. Potatoes are high-energy fuel for athletes. Potatoes are on the space menu. Digital farming enables precision and savings. Potato packaging goes green. Potato taste preferences vary worldwide. The potato story spreads through sound. Potato tools witness agricultural evolution. Potatoes are a model low-carbon crop. Potatoes are key in community support. Potato street food is a global ambassador. Protecting potato diversity protects our future. Live streams connect consumers to farms. Potato stabilization is a food security strategy. Potatoes are a treasure of vitamins and fiber. Potatoes are a canvas for culinary creativity. Agri-robots make farming smart and precise. Science perfects potato mouthfeel. Reenactment reminds us of the potato journey. Blockchain makes potato origin transparent. Sustainable irrigation makes farming greener. Zero waste. Every part of potato is valuable. Teach children healthy potatoes early. Crop insurance safeguards potato farmers. Global cooperation advances potato science. Circular economy makes packaging sustainable. Harvest is the happiest time for farmers. The flavor world of potatoes is rich. Drones are the eyes of modern agriculture. Future potato foods will exceed imagination. Potato cultivation can heal degraded soil. Potatoes become bridges of international friendship. AI brings potato cooking into smart era. Climate forecasts help farmers avoid risks. Potato history is half of human civilization. Vertical farming grows potatoes in cities. Potatoes can be visual art. Games teach agriculture through play. Potatoes are key in emergency systems. Biotech makes potatoes grow stronger. Potato farming is human cultural heritage. Consumer choice drives potato innovation. Cooperatives let farmers share market benefits. Potato timeline runs through human history. Smart irrigation uses every drop effectively. Potato startup wave is rising. Satellite remote sensing aids precision farming. Packaging design shapes our food choices. Seed exchange protects potato biodiversity. Potato supply chain resilience is food security. AI becomes early warning for potato diseases. Potatoes will be central in future foods. Agritourism connects city and countryside. Documentary makes potato story touch hearts. Smallholders are the backbone of global potato production. We are writing the future chapter of potatoes together.